In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Webflow from a Google search, open your site, add a code block element, and save your changes so you can create a smooth, blurry animated background effect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and look for the official result that leads to the Webflow website. This makes it quick to get to your dashboard, even if you don't have the URL handy. Click through and sign in if prompted so you land on your workspace and project list. Once you're in your Webflow dashboard, locate the site you want to work on. Click the View Site option for that project. This opens your site so you can confirm you're on the right project and helps you quickly move into the designer when you're ready. If you see a preview or live version, that's fine. You're just verifying the project before editing. Now, switch into the Webflow designer for that site. On the left side of the designer interface, click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. This panel is where you'll find all layout and content components. It's the easiest place to add new building blocks without hunting through menus. With the Add panel open, use the search field at the top and type Code Block. Typing directly into search filters the list instantly, so you don't have to scroll. If your interface uses slightly different wording, such as embed, this is the same idea, a component for adding custom code. When you see the code block element labeled to create blurry animated backgrounds in Webflow, click it. This inserts the ready-made snippet into your page, placing all the necessary HTML, CSS, or JavaScript in one step. Position it where you want the background effect to live, typically behind your main content or inside a section that spans the full width and height. If the canvas looks unchanged at first, that's normal for custom code. Use the preview toggle to see the animation in action and confirm it's rendering smoothly and not covering important content. Finally, click Save and Close to apply the changes and exit the code editor. You'll return to the canvas with the element added and your layout intact. From here, you can fine-tune spacing, z-index, or section sizing so the blurry animated background stays subtle and supports your content, not the other way around. That's it. You searched for Webflow on Google, viewed your site, added a code block for a blurry animated background, and saved your work. Nice job.